So this is one more case about heart condition. Now, this person says that my chest pain mostly aggravates in winter season, and he suffers from this kind of whenever he goes to some cold region or winter season, most of the time this chest pain he experiences. So of course, yes, this is coldness symptom, but at the same time, this person says that I have palpitation also, yes, and breathlessness, shortness of breath. So all we see different type of symptoms, and you can see this is some structure of heart. Yes, if one symptom is very clear, you can do just axial treatment. If you see two symptoms, you can do two axis like this, you can do this treatment. But here, if you see more symptoms, then you can make constitution. And then everything you can do on heart meridian or on heart chakra, Vishuddha chakra. This is connected with your heart. So let us see what is the structure of this heart. So this was the main symptom. Chest pain aggravates in winter season. But then later we found when we discussed with him, then this patient is telling that not only this, he experiences palpitation. So this is all story of heart. Yes, see, palpitation is also there. And then shortness of breath. So this shortness of breath is dryness symptom, shortness of breath. So these are very clear symptoms, and this is condition of heart. So if you want to do this treatment, you have to make constitution. Yes, like this. This, if this is plus. Yes. So this is the condition of heart. So this is local. We are focusing heart here. Yes, just heart. We are harmonizing heart here. Then after you focus this heart, also we can think that what is the main energy behind this problem. You can focus on emotions. You can focus on uh, his, other disease also, so that we can make other constitution for him. So when we are treating some patient in chronic cases, first we can focus on the main problem, local problem, which is main, and then we can find out why this person has this kind of palpitation. Maybe this person has some anger, maybe this person has some some emotional history behind this background. And then that is next phase. But now at present, when patient comes to you, we should immediately attend uh, her or his local situations, and then we can think about his overall constitutions, his attitude, his behavior, his eating habits, and his other body part situations like this. So if this person comes to you, you will do this constitution like this. This is just simple symptoms, but sometimes patient can have some heaviness feeling also in heart. Then instead of palpitation, this person has heaviness feeling, then you can make plus here like this. So it depends. So now at present we have this case. So how will you do on heart meridian? We can see, we can do in heart meridian, we can tonify, because chest pain is main, and we can tonify heat. And if palpitation is more dominant, then we can focus wind. But here chest pain, let us take this. So tonify heat, yes, and sedate coldness, and tonify hotness. Then in eye meridian, you tonify heat. Yes, so these are two meridians. And same treatment we can work on Vishuddha. You can work on Vishuddha. and you can inform Ajna. So you already know this and you can do it. Yes. So if you're doing on heart meridian, if you're doing color therapy like this, if your color consciousness is very strong, of course, yes, why not? You can do color therapy also. This is heart meridian and heart meridian. Then in heart meridian, tonify heat point with red color. Yes. And sedate coldness point with orange color. So sedate coldness point with orange color, and then tonify hotness with orange color. Yes, so for heat tonification, red color, coldness sedation, orange color, hotness tonification, orange color, and we inform first step, brain meridian. So this is brain meridian. You tonify, in brain meridian, you tonify heat like this. And same thing you can do on Vishuddha chakra. See, this is Vishuddha chakra, tonify heat. So this is clockwise direction. I'm not putting colors on my hand. So on patient hand, this is down is coldness point, wind, heat. Tonify heat, then sedate coldness, coldness point orange color, tonify hotness, on hotness point orange color, and then on ajna, same first step, tonify heat. First step, tonify heat. And then also very good to stimulate your mini system heart point in all these emergencies. Mini system heart point is very good. Mini system heart point, especially in left, this is in this area, your corporal heart meridian is coming here. Mini system heart point is also very good. So you can stimulate, this is heart point. So this is how you can immediately save patient like this. And then after giving some relief, then you can think about what is main root cause. Some emotion is there or some other problem like this, then you can say what is the main cause this. So this is how you will do this treatment for this patient. Yes.